Legacy
Yeah,
TV.
good evening. Good evening, you guys.
Yes.
Thanks for.
Now this might now you
Yes.
have been talking to them want yes and almost buy you for a bag
Yes,
and
yes.
all right.
You remember? Yeah, Ogidi,
Yeah.
you remember me. Yeah. Spencer,
Yeah.
Chioma Spencer. Oh, there is Spencer.
Oh, hi, Mr. Spencer.
Yeah, how are you?
Hi,
You
from
right?
Facebook.
Yes.
Hi.
All right. Honestly, I've been
right,
listening to it, and I've been on the periphery listening. And honestly, the question whether it's a scam or is it a struggle, I was gonna run a joke and say Biafra is in the eye of the beholder. Is in the eye of the beholder. Yeah, Biafra we hit your go. Yeah, let me go get you. I'm ihe a gwara mgbe anyị pụtara agwa anyị maka Biafra. We listened. But we grew up and we started listening, doing our research. And I must say this, and thank God for YouTube and all of this, yeah? Because without YouTube and the means of research these days that are available to us, really, for those who want to know, we would have been, even with the latest thing here, we can go on now. Come on, I can't just science.
Yeah. Even with the YouTube self, they are still saying it's out of context.
Even with the YouTube, we're still struggling to tell the truth. You understand?
Yeah.
So what I'm trying to say to you is, Biafra, when you go into doing your research, you find out that Biafra was a scam. It's still a scam till now. You understand? That's the truth. We've gone through it from Ojukwu period, and sometimes when they with them young people, you know, when this thing started, I remember I asked my dad and my mom's late now, but I said to my mom said to me, Chike, you understand? My dad's still alive. My dad said to me, Chicken, no, these are the people that are uninformed, unenlightened. I've seen most of the guys coming in here to argue with Chioma. And I'm saying to myself, when they're coming up, what do you know about this whole thing? And I must say, Chioma, the person that opened my eye to all of this thing was Chioma. I remember Chioma came on, I saw one beautiful lady coming and talking and saying that, look, this thing's a scam. She's been there, look, this is not true. And she always said something that stuck to me. In a child Biafra, ego leki trees of Biafra. That's what you said. That when she remembered the history, Ojukwu even used his own resources and his father's wealth and everything, even as the governor of the region. Yet he couldn't even do it. Let alone someone coming to gaslight you and telling you he's gonna give you Biafra. So for me, I'll keep on saying it. It's a scam. It's always been a scam. It's still a scam. And even if you, because okay, like Otechi Sacha Yoga, when he recently, I thought about it, and it was true. When he went up, he said, when we're going up, they told us that in the house, Abu Bakr, you know, Tapa Belawa, no way home, no, tea, Abu Bakr, no tea, no guy, no, Juku, interpret, and all of that. Absolutely, that was the truth. It was a scam. How would I? But when we now go into YouTube years later, and when the man spoke, I was like, whoa, this man can speak such good English. You know? So, had to go through more over the years. That's why I'm happy with this platform. And I keep on saying it to you. Chioma, do not stop your posts. In a post on Facebook. I'm telling you, he's hitting. Why? Kachi, what you're doing? Never you stop this. See, the reorientation, it must continue. We have to start again. So, because ndị chọrọ ịnụ ntị ụmụaka na-amaghị ha na-akọ na-eche na Biafra will come. Enwere legal ways of doing these things, constitutional ways. Ọ na-agwa gị na enweghị ihe dịka referendum na constitution anyị. Unu ajụwazi ha ajụjụ, okay, amakwa m na enweghị referendum, elota gị. Stop being a blockhead. About this right? From ignorance. Please. Just try be open to learn. Yeah? You've been led down the wrong path. It's time to Ask yourself questions. Do a U-turn. Ask the right, and I'm working the truth. Listen. Try to learn. So, because Biafra is a scam. Oyagala down there. One Nigeria for me is Nigeria the best place to be, or is it perfect? No, it's not.
Which country
Even in
is
America,
perfect?
what's going on in Iran and all
Which
that?
country is
No one's
perfect?
happy with some of the things happening. Nothing's perfect. No country is perfect. But what we're saying is, let's stop telling ourselves the truth. I can go to the
Yeah,
first.
accountability.
All our governors and senators and all that. But I am okay with Joku. How are we gonna now get what we want from them?
Absolutely.
I need the
Legacy TV, if you want to just round up in a minute, so that we
so,
can move
so
on.
yes.
Yeah.
Yeah. So to finish and in conclusion, I must say, because Jalen Guluni, Kachi, anytime you see me, my name is Spencer. Like I told you, I'm because Jalen Guluni.
Thank you.
Thank you very much. And
Thank
I'll let
you,
you
Mr.
guys go.
Spencer. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr.
Bye.
Spencer. Appreciate
Bye-bye.
it. Thank you for joining.
Bye.
Appreciate it. All right.